Hello and welcome. Today we are going to learn for 8th standard science, health and diseases. Today we are going to learn non-infectious diseases, that is cancer, its reasons, symptoms and causes. Second one, diabetes. Third one, heart disease. And fourth part of this portion is medicines and our lifestyle. So in these non-infectious diseases, what do you mean by non-infectious? In this lesson, there is some descriptive part. So just listen. Diseases which do not occur through infection and body contacts are called as non-infectious disease. So please remember, corona is an infectious disease. Then which disease is non-infectious? The name of that disease is cancer. So definition of cancer is uncontrolled and abnormal cell growth is called as cancer. Now the question is, what do you mean by abnormal cell growth, or what is the meaning of uncontrolled and abnormal cell growth? See, abnormality means cells are the structural units of all living things. Each of us has trillions of cells in our body. Cells make it possible to carry out all kinds of functions of life. For example, beating of heart, breathing, digestion, thinking, walking, and so many activities. But all these functions can be carried out only by normal cells, that is healthy cells. But some cells stops functioning or behaving normal. They have no useful purpose in our body at all. They become cancerous cells. So this is part of abnormality. That means, what do you mean by abnormal cell growth? So I have explained here. Then what are the reasons behind cancer? That is consumption of tobacco, gutka, alcohol, lack of fiber content, that is fruits and leafy vegetables, excessive consumption of pizza, burger, that is junk food, and lack of exercise may be a reason, and heredity may also be a reason behind cancer. So these are reasons. Then what are the symptoms of cancer? Then number one is chronic cough, hoarse in voice, difficulty in swallowing. This is first symptom. Incurable scar and inflammation, lumps in breast, unexplained weight loss. These are the symptoms of cancer. Cancer can occur in various organs like lungs, mouth, tongue, stomach, breast, uterus, skin, and tissues like blood. So group or lump of cancerous cells is called as malignant tumor. This is information about cancer. So another non-infectious disease is diabetes. So we know that our lifestyle has been changed during last 10 or 20 years. So due to this lifestyle, may diabetes can catch us. So basic, what is the definition, or what do you mean by diabetes? The hormone insulin produced in pancreas, which controls the level of sugar or glucose in blood. If insulin is secreted in low quantity, glucose level cannot be controlled. This disorder is called as diabetes. In pancreas, if insulin is secreted low, then there is a low sugar, and if there is an abnormality in insulin or it stops secretion, then there is a possibility of high sugar. So low sugar and high sugar. So this is about diabetes. What are the symptoms So frequently urination at night, it may be a symptom of diabetes. And increased obesity or weight loss, it may be a symptom in diabetes. So heredity is one reason, then obesity, lack of physical exercise, and mental stress. There is a statement in your textbook that preventive measures, how can we prevent diabetes? Following the proper diet, medicines, and exercise under the supervision of doctor helps to keep the diabetes under control. So this is about diabetes. Now we will learn about heart disease. So I have drawn a mind map regarding heart disease. See, when we go to meet our any relative or any family friend in hospital who is suffered or suffering from heart attack, then doctor suggests us and doctor tell that there is a blockage in your heart up to 90%, up to 95%, or up to 99%. Then doctor suggests one thing. Number one, doctor suggests angioplasty. When any person get a heart attack, so doctor check before angioplasty, they do angiography. Angiography is a small surgery, and after that doctor suggests us angioplasty. So what is angioplasty? If your arteries or veins are narrowed or shrunk, they are cured or widened in angioplasty. Second option, doctor suggests that you have to do bypass surgery. So what do you mean by bypass surgery? So bypass surgery is a connection, that is connecting blood vessels from other body parts to the person who is in trouble of heart disease. Next option is open heart surgery. What is open heart surgery? If blood is bypassed by opening heart, that is open heart surgery. Fourth option is installation of pacemaker. Pacemaker is a device. There is a small device placed in chest to help heartbeat correctly. So it is a artificial heart, we can say. Next option is installation of stents in your heart. A tube of plastic or metal placed in blood vessel to prevent from closing that vessel is a option. Installation of stents. And heart transplant is a replacement of heart through operation. These are the ways which doctor suggests us to prevent heart attack or for betterment of life. Our lifestyle since last 10 or 20 years has been changed. We cannot sleep at 10 o'clock in the night, and we cannot wake up early in the morning. So our lifestyle has been changed. So due to this lifestyle, job hectic or health problem, and lack of exercise, consumption of junk food. So due to this lifestyle, we are suffering from many diseases. So before meeting any doctor, we just go to a medical shop and we buy some pills or lotion or anything or any medicine we buy from a medical shop. But this lesson suggests us do not buy any medicine unless and until doctor prescribes us. Before 2 or 3 days, I have purchased a strip of pills. The cost of that strip was around 65 rupees, and another strip the cost of that strip was 29 rupees. So why there was a difference between two strips? Because one strip was made up from generic medicine and another was a branded company. So there is a misuse of medicines. Pharma industry is on high level in all over world. So generic medicines, if you have to understand details for in generic medicines, then you can see Satyamev Jayate, an episode done by Amir Khan. So what do you mean by generic medicines? Is a vast subject, but we are suffering from diseases due to lifestyle. So in those days, vaccination is available for many diseases, but lifestyle can cure us, or lifestyle can make us very healthy. So here, lesson is concluded: health and disease. Thank you.